Hello everyone, I am architect Priyanka Raikwar. Today I am taking a topic of fire safety requirement as per the National Building Code 2016. So mainly मैं आज हाई राइज बिल्डिंग्स के ऊपर ज़्यादा फोकस करूँगी. बताऊँगी कि व्हाट इज़ हाई राइज बिल्डिंग्स और हम उसके आगे सब डिविजन्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. High-rise buildings have unique challenges related to fire protection such as longer egress time and distance evacuation strategies, fire department accessibility, smoke movement and fire control. The number of persons living on high-rise buildings are compared to low-rise buildings, and only evacuation method in case of fire is the staircase. The purpose of the fire safety of all buildings 15 meter or above in height shall be considered as the high-rise buildings. Fire safety in high-rise buildings are implemented as per the requirement specified in the bylaws of local government. Mainly, types of building according to National Building Codes 2016 are divided into 9 parts: residential, educational, institutional, assembly, business, mercantile, storage, industrial, hazardous. Residential building, we are covering house, apartments, hotels, dormitories, guest houses. Education, school, training institute, institutional, hospitals, prisons. Assembly, theaters, museums, exhibition halls, clubs, restaurants, stadiums, air terminals. Business, offices, banks, labs, telephone exchanges, broadcasting stations. Mercantile, shops, stores, markets, shopping center, storage, any building used for store. Industrial, factories, power plants, industrial labs, dairies, refineries. Hazardous, any building used for manufacture, store and hazardous or explosive material. There are mainly the fire safety requirements are divided into 3 categories: fire prevention, life safety, fire protection. Fire prevention, undertaking construction work increases the risk of fire. Some are caused by tools and products used during the construction process, material used for construction, setbacks around height of building, floor area and layout. Life safety requirement covers life safety prevention provisions in the event of fire and similar emergencies which are necessary to avoid danger to life from fire, smoke and fumes or panic. Exit requirement, this include location, capacity and number of exits, doors, stairs, ramps, corridor. Smoke control, this includes staircases and lift lobby. Smoke, exhaust and ventilation. Detection and alarm, this include detection and alarm and voice evacuation and other specialized detection system. Fire drills and fire orders audits, this includes regular fire audits, inspection, testing and maintenance of the system and fire drills along with staff training. Fire protection, in the fire protection requirement selection and installation of correct type of equipment used to suppress fire. Fire extinguisher, fixed firefighting installation. Fixed firefighting installation consider subtopics: fire pumps, hydrants and hose drills, automatic sprinklers, automatic gas suspension or automatic foam suspension, water mist and other specialized suppression system. So some summary of National Building Code. Absolute safety from fire is not attainable in the practice. The objective of National Building Code Part 4 is to specify minimum measures that will provide degree of safety from fire that can be responsibly achieved. The requirement of this code should be taken as guide, and an engineering design approach should be adopted of ensuring a fire safe design or for building. So thank you for watching this video.